Vuguvugu linalojiita Kenya ni yetu chini ya uongozi wa Vitalis Eritimo limeitaka Wizara ya Elimu na wadau husika kushughulikia masuala ibuka kuhusiana na changamoto zinazokumba elimu ya sekondari msingi na kilio cha wazazi. Shirika hilo limetaja kuwa hakuna muundo thabiti kufanikisha masomo ya JSS ambayo yanakumbwa na matatizo kama vile uhaba wa madarasa, maabara na walimu wa kutosha.
Parents across the country are expressing growing concerns over significant challenges facing their children's transition to junior secondary schools, JSS. Key issues including inadequate sanitization, prohibitive transition costs, and insufficient teacher-students ratios exhibited by concerns of corruption in recruiting and the deployment of untrained teachers. Public schools students are required to pay substantial fees for the next level of education. Effectively includes those from disadvantaged backgrounds. This has led to a concerning number of earlier schools dropouts. We are not saying we go back to 844, but we are trying to raise concerns that as a serious country should be addressed. This kind of education, it is denying the Constitution the right, because the Constitution says every human being, everyone, including the street boys, must have an access to education.